Don't ignore the sign. Get your comprehensive eye screening now. Let us get to know you better. Just a simple questionnaire on who you are.
So simple.
Some basic screening. Are you suffering from color vision problems? Don't be afraid to share.
Sharing is caring.
Blurry Visions, we have the most comprehensive equipment. Just sit down and relax.
Relax.
Two eyes need to be aligned so that we can see everything in line. This machine checking the front of your eyes, making sure there is no surprise.
Surprise!
Eye pressure can get high too. Don't worry, we'll check them for you.
No worries.
Now is the time to check the back, making sure everything is on track.
Alright.
Now that everything is done, let us share what needs to be done.
Settle.
Make an appointment now. Get your free comprehensive eye screening.